Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this elegant chignon hairstyle in under 1 minute. To start, put the hair into a low ponytail. Then I'm going to take a hair donut and I'm just going to loop through an elastic band on each side. So just post the elastic band through the centre of the donut and then pull one end of the elastic through the loop of the other. Now just place that donut on top of the ponytail. And we're going to bring the ponytail up and over the donut. Hold it to the head with one hand and then use your other hand to stretch one of those elastics across to the opposite side. Then we're going to pull that ponytail down, hold it to the bottom of the donut and then stretch the other elastic over to the opposite side. Then use your fingers to spread it out at both sides. And if you've got any tail ends showing, just tuck these up and secure with a bobby pin. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.